Hello and welcome back to this course. This is part 4 of this course. So in this part, I'll be telling you about different HTML tags. So the first tag that I'm going to tell you about is the H1 through H6 tags. So H1 is a tag that modifies the font of the text that's in between the tags. This will make the text larger. So H1 is actually the largest of them, and then H6 is the smallest. So everything in between H1 and H2 and H6 is going to be going down in font. So if we copy this and then paste them, and then change all of the sizes, all of the numbers to the next number, so I can give you a bit of a perspective on how it goes down, we can see now. Now if we right click and then open it in File Explorer and then double click, you can see that the font goes down with every H level. H also stands for header. The numbers are the ones that change. Now, the next tag that I'm going to be telling you about is the paragraph tag. You write that with P. So the paragraph tag is made just so you can write large amounts of text into it without actually modifying the text. So we can just write, this is paragraph text, and then just copy it and then paste it so that we have some kind of simple text. So you might see that I just made enter. I just clicked enter in between each of the sentences that I wrote, but this won't actually affect the HTML code. It'll just write it all in one line. So in order to add lines in between our text or break a line, we use the line break tag. We write it like this, BR. Now if we write BR in between each of these sentences, and one more, and then save and then look at it, when we refresh, it separates it for us. Now the next tag that I want to talk to you about is the line tag, or the horizontal line tag. You can use it you can make it by writing HR. We go back and then we press refresh, and as you can see, now the HR tag has been made. Thanks for watching. This has been part 4 of the web design tutorial, and I'll see you in the next one.